through the support of us.
A block-level meeting of Trinamool Congress was held on December 8th at the Sao Playground in Nongstoin, in which quite a number of people joined the party. The party also claimed that the people who joined the party have affirmed the growth of the part in this part of the state. TMC State President Charles Pingrop and Legislature Party Leader and Leader of Opposition Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Dr. Mukul Sangma inaugurated a party office in Nongstoin, which was followed by a successful block meeting. The party said around 5,000 were present during the meeting.
That's why we all decided collectively to join and march with this Trinamool Congress. Because with the sense of utmost commitment and responsibility, we want to fulfill our purpose and responsibility to protect the interests, larger interests of our people.
The Khasi Department of St. Edmund